Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to extract file with WinRAR. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WinRAR is a popular file compression and archiving software for Windows used to shrink file size, bundle multiple files into one, and extract compressed file like RAR or zip. It acts as the file manager that supports many formats, including RAR, zip, and ISO, and includes features like file encryption, password protection, and file splitting. So what if you want to extract file with WinRAR? Is very simple. First of all, you can install WinRAR on your PC or laptop. You can download the WinRAR latest version. I have downloaded on my laptop. Now I want to use it, so you can open your files. You can choose on the file that you want to extract. Like for example, I want to extract this file. You can select on the file. You can click right. Now you can before that, maybe you can open with, select on open with, choose another app, select on WinRAR, select on always. So here's your file. You can close it. Now you can extract. You can select, you can click right on the file, select on the WinRAR. You can select on extract to. So here's your file that you just extract with WinRAR. It's very simple, right? So that is how to extract file with WinRAR. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!